Recently, while scrolling through Fiverr, I stumbled upon a gig that caught my eye. An AI logo design service with over 17,000 reviews, charging between $43 and $199 per logo. The math was staggering. Even if every customer chose the basic $43 option, the creator had made over $742,000. Subtract Fiverr's 20% fee, and they still earned around $593,000. It dawned on me that with higher tier options, their earnings could easily reach $1 million. That moment was a revelation. There was real money in AI-designed logos. Chapter 1. Facing the challenges head-on. Energized by what I'd seen, I dove headfirst into the world of AI logo design on Fiverr. My first stop, Midjourney. But the excitement quickly turned into frustration. I realized that Midjourney, while powerful, had limitations that made customer revisions a nightmare. Want to tweak a design or add specific text? Good luck. Midjourney's output was terrible, leaving my initial clients less than thrilled. It was impossible to add the text they wanted me to add, nor could I adjust the logo according to their wishes. This got me asking whether there is another, better alternative. Chapter 2. ChatGPT. Determined to find a solution, I turned to ChatGPT. Here was my breakthrough. With ChatGPT, customizing logos to the nth degree was not only possible but straightforward. Take a hypothetical client wanting a logo for Hey Store, a clothing brand. ChatGPT allowed me to incorporate the store's name and theme seamlessly into the design, something Midjourney struggled with. So how does it work? To make the logo, we're going to use a tool from the GPT section. You'll need to have ChatGPT version 4 for this, but trust me, it's worth the investment. You can make back the cost with just one Fiverr sale. First thing, you look for a logo generator in the search bar. There are different GPT tools you can try since they all work a bit differently. I usually start with the first one I find. I'll explain to ChatGPT exactly what the buyer wants, including as many details as needed to get the logo just right. Give it a moment to work its magic, and boom, you've got yourself a stunning logo. But what if the buyer wants some tweaks, like they love the logo but want a different color scheme? No sweat. The only problem is I haven't found a logo designer on ChatGPT that can edit a logo without starting from scratch. So we'll use the image editor GPT for these kinds of adjustments. Just upload your logo there, tell ChatGPT the changes you need, and give it a minute to update the design. You can even ask to see the before and after shots side by side to check out the improvements. Looks great, right? I have to admit, though, that making huge adjustments is also difficult in ChatGPT. If the client really requests major changes, it's probably smarter to either regenerate the entire logo or adjust the logo in an editing program like Photoshop. In Photoshop, the generative fill option, which also uses AI, is a great tool to make bigger modifications on certain parts of the logo. Now let's talk about how to get this logo out there and start making sales. Chapter 3. Mastering the Fiverr Marketplace. Selling your logo on Fiverr is really straightforward. First, if you don't already have an account, you need to sign up, or just log in if you do. Head to your profile and click on Active Gigs. Look for the plus button that lets you create a new gig. This part is pretty easy. You just pick a title, set the category, and add some search tags. Fiverr will ask for some more details. Just fill those in and click Continue. Next, you get to set up the packages you're offering. Basic, Standard, and Premium are usually the options. Fill in all the details for each package and hit Save. After that, you'll write up a description for your gig. It's a good idea to look at what other sellers write to get some inspiration, but make sure to tailor it to what you're offering. Tell potential buyers exactly what they can expect from your service. Then you'll set some questions for your customers to answer when they place an order. These questions are important because they help you understand exactly what the customer wants. You might ask about their logo ideas, if they want text in the logo, the kind of text they're thinking of, or their preferred color scheme. The next step is to upload some images of logos you've created into your gallery. If you need more logos, Just ask ChatGPT to whip some up and pick the best ones for your Fiverr gallery. Adding a video can also help boost your sales because it gives buyers a better look at what you do. Once you're happy with how everything looks, hit save and then publish your gig. That's it. Your gig is live and ready for orders. Getting your first few sales might take a bit since you're starting from scratch with no reviews. A good tip is to advertise your gig through multiple platforms. Use advertising campaigns or even ask friends to order your service to help boost your ranking in the beginning.